Hi, welcome to GmaGpaAdventures, and we're going to give you our room tour of the Lodge of the Ozarks in Branson, Missouri. So here's our key that we got at the front desk. Scan it, turns green, come on inside. This is room 228 with the king-size bed. That's how you order it. And it also has a jacuzzi tub. So first thing we see when we walk in is lots of hangers. Wow, that's awesome. Iron and ironing board if you need it. Something to put your bag on, but we have way too many bags. This is what we need to stick on the door if we don't want to be woke up in the morning, which is a good idea. And then I guess we'll start with the bathroom. So you walk into the bathroom and bath towels. They look pretty good quality. 2 rolls of toilet paper, makeup, hand lotion stand. You like that. And more soap, conditioner, and shampoo. Awesome. And a bath rug. So here's the jacuzzi tub. Oh good, it has a shower too. I was hoping it wasn't just a tub. Oh, and it looks like it could be handicap accessible with all the bars, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, so like if we're senior, we're technically seniors, so, but it's good for people who are handicapped. Okay. And Kleenexes. Do you see a hair dryer? Oh, on the wall. Duh. Okay. Right there. So that's good. That's really all you need. And I like the lighting. What's it got? Oh, over the bathtub. Oh, okay. So if you want to relax in the jacuzzi, you could put that one light on. And then because it's called the Lodge of the Ozarks, it's supposed to kind of look like a log cabin. That's the whole idea behind it. Beautiful artwork. Cabin Forever by Kim Norlin. Haven't heard of her. Oh man, this chair's heavy. Wow.
Looks pretty solid.
Yeah, it actually feels like it's actually carved. That's amazing. Like I thought it was gonna be some cheap chair from, somewhere. And then the lamp. Look at the lamp. Wow, that's pretty cool too. Oh, and it's like a little oar, like a, what do you call those? Is that an oar? Like
Yeah,
when you go fishing.
Yeah, like a paddle.
That's what turned it on?
Yeah.
Huh. This is what Stan got from the Branson Country Tours. Oh, look at the llama for it being his birthday. And we've got dark roast coffee, French roast coffee, and another dark roast. That's nice. I love coffee. Nice mirror. It's set at 72, but of course you could bump it down if you want. This is really nice lamp. Looks really nice. It has like a USB 5 volt. So regular plug-in and then a USB plug-in. There's the phone to call the front desk. She said if you need any towels or anything. Oh, wow. It's like a kitchenette. I didn't know we had this. So we not only have the fridge, because I asked if there was a fridge in the room, and she said yes. So we can put our sodas and bottled water. But there's actually a kitchenette. There's a microwave. I don't see any silverware or plates, do you? So you could bring paper plates and your own silverware. Huh. So there's nothing provided to like cook with that I can see like in a condo. But you could bring your own paper plates and napkins and stuff. And it's nice to have a microwave. You could make microwave popcorn in the evening if you want.
Really. That's a
I
good.
wish I would have known about that.
That's a good sized one too.
And it's nice to have an extra sink, especially if you have little kids with you.
Yeah.
So then, wow, there's a Bible laid out. These are sturdy. Wow, look at that. They're really sturdy.
They're big
We need
too.
to find the ice machine and a pretty big TV.
That is. That's bigger than most of them that you'd have in a hotel room.
So we have a nice view of the Ferris wheel and the Branson Tower. So, and the Titanic over there. And there's a cute little gazebo though. So if we wanted, oh, that's a smoky place you can go to smoke. Okay. So we
Okay.
don't want to go there. I wondered about that. Like if it's cold, do they stay up in the trees? And then over here we've got more USBs, more regular plug-in. And then I can't believe they still give you an alarm clock. And the bed's really pretty. Didn't this remind you a little bit of Wilderness Lodge when we stayed there at Disney?
A little bit, yeah.
I mean, as far as and the bed looks comfy. Have you sat on it? Yeah,
No.
it's pretty good. Oh, I could sleep here.
Yeah.
This is really comfy too.
Are you going to do the bed test?
What's that?
You got to flop on the bed. See how it feels.
Let's let you do that. I think that's your test.
That's mine?
Yeah, give me the camera.
That headboard, though, look how big that headboard is.
Yeah, don't
That's,
hurt yourself.
That's very cool. How many pillows on the bed?
5. Okay.
Try the
Okay.
bed out.
Flop.
Feels good.
Did it have some give to it?
Yeah.
See, you don't like a hard mattress though, do you?
Not real hard.
So it has some give. That's
Bounced
good.
a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, is that drawers underneath or no? Just
No,
looks like
I
it.
don't think so.
Okay, so it's just the bed springs. It's just the springs.
Yeah. there's
And
no
then what's over here in the, open that up. Anything in there?
the channel guide.
Oh, that's
Are
nice.
you
Leave that
recording?
out. Yes,
It was the point of
leave that out.
channel guide.
What else is in there? Well, I guess the Bible's up there by the TV.
Yeah, these don't come.
Oh, they're just decorative.
That's just for
Okay,
looks.
just for looks. Did you see HBO or Showtime?
No, didn't see anything like that, but a lot of other channels. So a lot to choose from.
Something you called the Vacation Channel.
Yeah.
Was that just ads for Branson then?
Probably.
Probably.
It's Channel 6, the vacation channel. It's Branson Visitor Info. So you might get some ideas by watching that about something you want to do.
So what do you think, Stan? This is our 3rd hotel, I think, we've stayed at in Branson, besides where your mom and dad sent us.
Yeah. I
So
really like it.
what do you think so far? One guy told me that if you stay here, you won't go back to the others. So we'll see what the
Think so.
breakfast is like. He
Yeah.
really likes the breakfast.
But the
Pull
room,
that shut and let's see how dark it gets in the room, because that means a lot to people. Oh gosh. Well, there's a little bit of light coming out from under.
Yeah, but we always bring
Some curtain clips.
with us so we can shut it tighter. So yeah, if they're held together, that's a lot better.
And the light from outside will be gone this evening.
Yeah.
Can you see to turn the light back on?
No, fumbling in the dark. I think I found it.
There you go. It's really nice. Turn on the TV and let's see what kind of picture we have.
We're able to see larger audience.
Oh, that's pretty good color.
And you know what? For the first time,
It's an ad for Sight and Sound that we're going to tonight.
holding what we need to do to help
How many inches would you say that is? 55?
call it bad.
So Donna, just in general, what do you think about the room?
Oh, right now I would give it a 10 out of 10. I haven't taken a shower yet. I don't know about the hot water.
Yeah.
Or the drainage with the tub, but it's got jacuzzis in it, which sounds good. And the room is nice and big and the bed is big, so, and the TV's big.
Yeah.
So I would give it a 10 out of 10 right now,
Yeah.
unless something changes.
It looks good. It's comfortable. Plenty of room.
So give us a thumbs up if you've been here before, and or if you would like to visit, and leave a comment below on what you thought about the hotel. We haven't had the breakfast yet. Tomorrow will be our first morning, and
Yeah.
we will videotape some of it for you. Right now, we're gonna go try to find the pool, and I don't think they had an arcade, but we'll kind of look around and see what else we can find. So thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't before.
Yep. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.